Hey, thank you for coming to this, clicking on this video, okay? And in this video, we are going to discuss the 18 reasons why we as a human being, why we want to be really healthy, okay? And I hope you may have one of the reason or many of the reasons from whatever we are going to discuss. So let's directly get into this 18 reasons why we as a human being, why we want to be really healthy. Okay, so if you are able to see the screen, just put in the comment box you are able to see the screen. Okay, so before I getting into this video, I want to introduce myself. Okay, so my name is Shubham. I'm a transformation coach, and I'm really serving from last 3 years to people to transform their health, to transform their bodies. Okay, and with my experience, I want to share like whatever with whatever clients I have dealt with, okay, with my experience, what are those major reasons that people look and get started on their transformation. Okay, so this can be, or there will be many reasons why you as a person want to be healthy. Okay, so the reason number one is you want to stay alive. Okay, who doesn't want to stay alive? Who want to die? Who wants to die, right? So we want to stay alive, and that is the reason. Oh, okay. Okay, and I think everybody wants may have this reason. Okay, we want to stay live. We want to live longer. We have to have a long lifespan so that we can really enjoy every moment of it. Okay, with our loved ones. The third reason can be disease-free life. Okay, who wants disease life with a disease? Okay, or many diseases. Okay, so everybody wants disease-free life, active, healthy lives. Okay, so that they can enjoy moments with their loved ones. Okay, the reason number four is more endurance. Okay, we want more endurance so that we can complete more tasks, we can complete our more of our responsibilities and everything, right? The reason number five is more energy. Okay, we want more energy so that we can provide our family the best life possible, the best lifestyle possible, the best uh, anything in any aspect, in every aspect, right? The reason number six is better immunity. Okay, who wants to attract disease frequently? Who wants to have frequent colds, sneezes, and like deemed life? Okay, everybody wants charming life. Okay, active and joyful life. So it comes with better immunity. Okay, reason number seven is look great. Okay, everybody wants to look great, attractive. Okay, and everybody, I'm damn sure everybody wants to be looking very younger than their real age, right? If you agree, just put in the comment box, I agree. Okay, reason number eight, maybe you want mental peace. Okay, like there are a lot of things in our lives, okay, that keep happening, okay, and that can just take your mental peace away from you. And fitness or being healthy or putting some of your time to really make yourself better, to be healthy, to feel that you are healthy. Okay, so regular exercising and eating healthy, this really influences your mood, to just feel good about you, to just feel better about yourself, and this really brings mental peace. Okay, the reason number nine could be look younger. Okay, we want to look younger. We want to not look above our ages. Okay, so we want to look better, attractive, to attract better person. Okay, better people. Reason number 10 is better mental strength. Okay, better mental strength to tackle every situation coming your way. Okay, so this can also be the reason for many of you. Okay, so and there keeps these things keep happening, like there are a lot of events or things that happen in our lives, okay, that just throws away our like what you can say, your happiness, your peacefulness, your joyful moments. Okay, so like having a better like exercising habits, regular exercising habits, and regular eating good eating, healthy habits, okay, healthy eating habits. This can really influence your mental strength. And when your mental strength is enough good, you get that power to respond in a better way to every situation coming your way in your life at any possible moment. And this can really give you better solutions to your problems, situations, or anything. Okay. The reason number 11 may be physical strength, right? Everybody wants better physical strength, okay, so that they can be able to do a lot of things, okay, physically. So that can also be the reason. Great body, of course, we want to be looking attractive so that we can attract good things, okay. We want to great bodies so that we can feel better about yourself, okay, feel healthy and fit about ourselves, okay. Reason number 13 can be strong memory, okay. In these times, like, people keep forgetting a lot of things, like, there may be things that have been told by a family to do for the day, okay, to grab something from the market, or to bring something, or to do something, okay, to pay the bills, or to just update anybody anything about any event, okay. So, like, we tend to forget many of the things in our lives, okay, because of the flow and because of the events and because of all the things and rest that the chaos happening in our lives, okay. So when you have better eating habits, when you have a habit to regularly exercising, this can really boost your memory, okay. And when you boost your memory, you tend to have better like your memory, so that you can really remember things that you have put on your list for the day, and you can just go on to it to complete it. Reason number 14 can be attracting good partner for yourself, really, for other like millennials, or like the people who are in teenage, or in their 20s, or maybe in their 30s, okay. So reason number 15 can be better spiritual health, okay. Who doesn't want it? And who doesn't really want to feel joyful, okay? Who doesn't want to feel happy, okay, about their selves, about themselves, okay. So this can also be the reason. Emotional balance, okay. So, like I told, like, uh, things keep happening, and the emotional ups and downs, the roller coaster ride keeps happening in our lives, okay. The frightenment, the excitements, the very bottom of your feelings, okay, and loneliness. And, like, to really have that emotional balance, you have to be moving your bodies every single day, okay. You have to be eating healthy, and emotional balance can be one of your reason. So to really get start on your healthy journey, to journey to a better version of yourself, a fit version of yourself, okay. And the reason number 18 can be improved sexual health, okay. Right now there are people who have a lot of issues related to sex, their sexual health, and basically this physical fitness. And like, fitness is not just about physical body, okay. Fitness affects your health, physical, emotional, spiritual health, and this ultimately can impact in very different ways. So, and of course, this can improve your life 180 degree. This can literally change your life 180 degree. Okay. So, if you got your reason why you really want to be healthy, or there may be multiple reasons why you want to be healthy, just put in the comment box what are your reasons why you want to be healthy, okay. And I want to thank you for watching this video, and I also want to share, provide you an opportunity. I also want to give you a gift, okay. A gift from me to you, okay. And the gift is, I want to invite you to my live webinar, okay, which will be happening very soon. This webinar will be on the 3 secrets why, how you can basically lose weight easily, the 3 secrets to lose weight easily. And like, there are three secrets what I will discuss it right now. Okay, the number one secret is the mindset. Okay, before you getting into your transformation journey, it is very important to have the right mindset to basically get started on your journey, so that you can stick to that journey for a longer period, so that you can achieve better results. Because there are many people who start with the journey but they quit in their first 5-10 days. Okay, and I really want you to be in a better situation of your life by being healthy, by being fit. Okay, and it takes time. Okay, and to provide that kind of commitment from you for your better health, it really needs a mindset shift. Okay, and this is number one secret. The second one is your nutrition and fitness principles. Okay, like there are some principles which you have to follow in order to be healthy, not just thin. Okay, I'm not talking about getting thin. Okay, I'm talking about getting strong, feeling better about yourself, feeling attractive about yourself, by really feeling healthy and fit from inside. Okay, so there are some few principles which I also want to discuss in this webinar. And the third one is physical activity. Okay, why it is really important. Okay, in how and what ways physical activity can affect your life, physical, mental, or any aspect of your life. So these are the three secrets I want to discuss in detail. Okay, and I want to invite you to this webinar. You can go to this link, shubhambhalekar.com/3 secrets. shubhambhalekar.com/3 secrets. Okay, I will also put the link in the description, and you can just come to this webinar, and I am sure I can provide you a lot of value in this webinar, and so that you can get on your journey to a better version of yourself. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. If this video have given you some tips, do let me know in the chat how it has helped you, and also give a like for that video. And also, if you can share it with your friends and family members who may need this information, you can share this video. And thank you for staying till the end. Thank you.